Hello and welcome to this very special edition of Stevie Bucks Coins as the channel, and this is a very special Coronation Day. So in a little over a couple of hours, King Charles III will go through the coronation ceremony. To that end, the Royal Mint has produced 2 coins to celebrate this event, and let's get down. Whoa, a bit too far. This is the first one, and as you can see, they are slightly different from the normal coins. The slight difference being here. For the first time in several generations, a UK coin showing one of the kings shows him wearing a crown. This has not been shown on circulating and normal coinage of the realm since Charles II. People may think that they've seen ones of George VI and George V with crowns on and such like, and that's true, but they are not UK coins. They are Commonwealth coins, or coins from what was at that time the British Empire. This is the first set of coins that are showing a king in the UK that's been minted in the UK for UK usage to hold the crown. And I say usage because they can officially they are legal currency. However, these are 2 collector's coins, the 50p and the £5, which is this coin that I'm showing you. So the first one is, you got Charles on there with the crown. On the obverse side, on the reverse side, we have the scepter, the crown in the background, and we have the 2 scepters that the king will be holding when he is crowned. One has the dove on it, and the other one has the cross on it. And the 2 scepters that he holds across himself as he's being king, as in his hands, should I say, when he's being crowned. So this coin, very simple in its design, and across the top it says a coronation of King Charles. He doesn't even give his he does give his regnal number, so King Charles III. And we have there the 2 scepters and the crown itself. Very simple design, but very effective. Then we come to one in a gold packaging. This one is the 50p. Again, Charles is crowned. Now, this is a collector's 50p. The one that is due to go into circulation will not have the crown on it. So there will be a circulated version of the 50p, but however, it will not have the crown on it. And on the front here, we have the face of Westminster Cathedral, and this is the door in which you will enter and exit from. You have the crown cipher of King Charles III, CR, and the 3 ones are inside the R, in the circle of the R. You have the entrance and the portico and part of the Westminster Abbey itself on this coin. Again, it's an effective design. This design will go into, as I say, will go into circulation. However, the obverse side will just have the normal portrait of King Charles that you saw on the Memorial 50p. So that's it. We've not yet seen the version without the crown as yet. It's not available. Normally Change Checker would have them, but unfortunately they don't have them at the moment. So therefore, I bought this as a twin pack. I have a subscription service to the coins themselves as they come out, and this was a twin pack that came to me. I haven't yet put it into the In the Post series because it was important that I did this video in time for when the coronation took place. So, what do you think of these coins? Let me know in the comments below. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, such as I have done here, then I hope you can get what you want for the price you want to pay. I do 4 videos a week as a minimum, therefore hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. I am looking to increase my numbers again this year. I am aiming for 225 to 250 by the end of the year, which is another 90 odds if I hit the top of the range that I'm looking at. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel and you believe I deserve it, please could you subscribe to the channel. Or if you've enjoyed this video and it's your first time, can you seriously think about subscribing? Also, if you've enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything to do that. Give the thumbs up or subscribe to the channel. Until we meet up again on this channel, thank you for watching, and may the King have a long and successful reign. Until we meet up again, bye bye for now. Ta-da!